Is it? Remember, 2 hands and you can do it.
Oops.
There you go.
2 dots. 2 more to go.
2 more to go. Yeah.
1 more to go.
Good job. Okay, can you put the lid on that, please?
Oh, okay.
Good job. Can you tell them what day it is today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
6.
Good job. What are we making?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss?
Look how many I made.
Wow. How many is that?
4.
Good job.
Wait, now I'm making blue.
Blue.
I'm gonna put some glitter now. Right?
You want glitter? Okay. Here, you take it off.
Thanks.
Be careful. Hold it up whenever you take it off. Good job.
Your mom.
Hi.
Oops. I'll get it. Okay.
So then what do?
Stir up until it gets all glittery and yucky. And then when you're done, you spread inside. You put it in the blue one.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm all done. Can you open it?
Pull. There we go.
And now when we take this off, then I'm going to spread it on like that. Oops, a little bit didn't come off. Can you guys send this to my whole class?